Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
The Learn, Develop, Live podcast brings you another 1 minute of motivation. And here's your quote for today. We all need someone who inspires us to do better than we know how. As much as we can all try to do the things on our own, there will be times when you just need a little lift, a little inspiration and motivation from someone who inspires us, someone we respect and admire and possibly want to be just like. Maybe it's a friend, maybe it's a member of the family, a motivational speaker, or just someone else that just gets you up moving again. Have those people in your corner for when it's just not going well, and if you do trip, their motivation and inspiration will be there to catch you and get you on your way again.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.